In this video, we're going to learn about the different element states and how they can be customized. To do this, I'm going to go to the menu here. I'm going to select this first element, and then I'm going to go to the View panel where this drop-down menu can be found. In this case, the drop-down menu gives us access to different states of the specific element. So here we can choose the state which we want to edit, and then edit it here. When the element is in that state, any modifications that have been made will appear here. The default state can be found in this drop-down menu. The default state is the initial state of any element. The current state lets the user know what filter, tab, or accordion element that is currently selected. Or for example, in this case, if we customize this element that has a link to another page, if we edit the current state, when the user is on this page, this element will appear in its current state. If we make any changes in the current state, this item will be highlighted and the user will know it's on the same page. Editing this state is a great way to provide the user with more understanding of what's going on with our site or app when they are using it. We also have other link variables like hover, which is the state of the element when you pass your mouse over it. The active state happens when the element is clicked, a state that is great to work with on mobile. There are also a few extra variants that can be useful when creating triggers. These extras can have specific names. In this case, we have two customized extra variants. These extra variants can bring a better understanding of our site or app for collaborators who might work with us. So to do this, we're going to come here to the style guide and then here to the style variants. We're going to add new variants and also alter the names of some existing variants. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to customize a state. I'm going to select this element and then I'm going to go to the View panel. And in this second drop-down menu, I'm going to select the state I want to edit, the hover state. And now I'm going to make a simple modification. I'm going to go to typography and I'm going to make a color change. Now I'm going to go to preview mode to preview this modification. As you can see, when I move my mouse over this element, the hover state shows this change. This is a great way to give the user better navigation experience and to make your site or app more dynamic.